All right. Hello, first graders. So how is life different than it was long ago? We've been talking about that, comparing and contrasting how they're alike and how they're different. So what century are we living in today? What century are we living in today? That's right. We're living in the 20th century. The year is 2021. So we're in the 20th century. Remember, century is 100 years. It's 100 years. What is your favorite kind of outdoor entertainment? You guys remember what entertainment is? It's what you like to do for fun. So what do you like to do for fun outside? What would you like to be in the future? Remember, future hasn't happened yet. So what would you like to be in the future? Who is your favorite hero from the past? Remember, hero is somebody you look up to. And the past already happened. So who's your favorite hero from the past? Who is your favorite hero in the present? Remember, present is right now. Remember, your hero doesn't have to be somebody who's not real. It could be somebody that is real. Okay, we're going to read a story from Horse to Plant.
Horse to Plane. People today can go places in cars, planes, and trains. Long ago, there were not as many kinds of transportation. Before engines, people had to walk or use horses. People rode in wagons pulled by horses.
All right, this is called what again? What is this? This is called the title. And look, we have two words that are highlighted. We have transportation and we have engines. What does transportation mean? That's right. It means the way we go somewhere. And engines is the things that make something move. So right here, this caption told us that people rode in wagons. That happened a long time ago. So their engine, do they have an engine on it? They had horses. That's how it made it go, didn't it?
The train was invented. Steam engines made them go. Now people could go places much faster. It used to take days to go 100 miles. After the train was invented, it might take hours.
Okay, so
trains go on rails to and from stations.
So back in the days, it took a long time to go 100 miles, and now in a car we can go there pretty fast. Take us about over an hour or so, about an hour and a half. So trains were invented. What does invented mean? That means that it was created. If somebody invented something, they created it. Okay?
Later, cars were invented. The first cars did not go very fast. Cars today can go faster. People like to ride in cars. They can go where they want. The first cars were only a little faster than horses.
All right, so we have these kind of cars. These were the kind of cars they had long ago. They didn't have very big engines, and they weren't as fast as what we have nowadays. Did you guys notice this picture is black and white too when I took it? Okay. So these cars were only a little bit faster than horses.
Soon there was a faster way to go. The airplane was invented. Airplanes can go over mountains and oceans. Today we can go across the world in a day. That could take years long ago. The first airplanes could not go far.
So that's what the first airplanes looked like. They weren't like they are today. And airplanes nowadays, there's huge. It takes a lot of people, and we can travel across the world in one day. So what do you guys think about what transportation do you use? Lots of cars, buses. Now, how is it different from long ago? The cars go faster now, don't they? And there's different types of cars. All right. You guys are going to tell me the middle sound of each word. Are you ready? The middle sound, boat. Boat. You said O, you're correct. Phone. Phone. You said O, you're correct. You hear that long O in there. In boat, the OA says O, O. And in phone, the E makes O say its name. All right, let's look at this word, dime. Dime. The E makes the I say its name, so the middle sound is I. Good job. Make sure you're saying it with me. Leaf. What's the middle sound in leaf? You hear a long E, you're right. E. The EA right there says E. It's a long E. Mule. Ooh, that one's kind of tricky. Do you hear it? Mule. U. So it's a long U. The E makes the U say its name. Then we have rake. Rake. Ache. So it has a long A. Cube. Cube. We have the long U. Remember that E makes the U say its name. Now we have gate. You said A. You're right. Goat. We have the O. Oat. Good job, first graders. All right. Long O says O, has the silent E at the end, and then we have U, long U with the silent E. And then we have E, silent E. All right, so like in mule, the E makes the U say its name. So when we add the E to the end of the word, it makes the first vowel long. All right, if you can read these, you can read this whole word, but let's tap them out. Ready? Oh, pole, and the E makes the O say its name. We have pole. Ready? Oh, pole. We don't tap that E. Remember, it's silent. Does pole and hole rhyme? That's right, it does. Now we have this word. Let's tap it out. Ready? Oak. Poke. Poke. E makes O say its name. All right, this one, cube. Cube. Cube makes E makes the U say its name. All right, I need some help. How do we spell cube? Well, if we don't know, remember we can tap it out. Tap a spell. Cube. Cube. That's tricky. It says starts with a C. U. B. B. And we have that silent E at the end. Okay, this one's tricky. Phone. I'm going to give you a hint. It has a diagram. You said PH. You're right. There's a diagram. PH. It makes that sound. And then you have a long O. And then the silent E. Okay, now we have a throne. 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 Ooh, that's a diagram. What says? That's right. TH. O. O. So we have a long O. O. Uh-oh. Did you guys hear that? Miss Mason didn't say a sound correctly. You need to slow down. Let's retap it out. Ready? O. So I should have an R there. I skipped that R. I missed that sound. You have to be careful because sometimes those sounds can kind of blend together. So O. So we have a long O. And then we have that silent E. All right, let's put our words in A, B, C order. Are you ready? So first we have to look. If we have a word that starts with an A, oops, I see one. Ago. So A-G-O, ago. Okay, now I see B, C. Oh, I see two C words. I see cube and cute. So we have a C and a C, and then we have a U and a U. So when you look, B or T, which one comes first? You said Q, but you're right. C-U-B-E. And then we have cute. C-U-T-E. Okay, after that, let's see. D, nope. E, nope. F, nope. G, nope. H. Hope to see an H word. What is that word? Hope. You're right. And there's a first grader named Hope. Okay, what comes after H? We have I, nope. J, nope. K, nope. L. Oh, look. I see. Ledge. L, E, D, G, E. Ledge. Then we have M. Nope. Oop, we have N. I see two N words. Do you guys see them? I see nose and note. So how do we know what goes first? Okay, well, let's look at the next letter. Nope, no. There's an O and an O, so now I have to look at the next one. S and T. Which one comes first? S does. Very good. So we put nose, N-O-S-E, and then note, N-O-T-E. Good job, first graders. All right, N-O-P. Oh, look, we have people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Q? Nope. R? Yep, look, there's rope. And what is our last one? Uh-oh, did you guys notice I made a mistake? That's okay, I have to go back and look. I forgot the word nice. I have another N word right here. So does I come before O? If you don't remember again, look at your alphabet. So technically, nice would go here because N-I-C-E. I comes before O. I fixed my mistake. No worries. All right. Let's practice our sight word. What's this word? Ago. Very good. What's this word? Boy. Good job. Remember the O-Y says oi, but oi in this word, boy. We have girl. The I-R says so girl. What's this one? How. That's right. The O-W. What does that say? Ow. Very good. Old. And the last word was people. All right. Good job, first graders.